Hello and welcome to the Arlo Lab. My name is Anna and I am your virtual technical assistant. Today we will be going over how to install devices connecting to Wi-Fi and what we need to make sure of before installing. Let's dive right in. Please note that all devices, whether dual band or single band, require a 2.4 GHz network for installation. If you are unsure which frequency your router is emitting, please contact your internet service provider, and if need be, turn off the 5 GHz network or split your Wi-Fi signals. In order to connect a device directly to Wi-Fi, from the Devices page, tap on the plus icon, and next tap on your device type. Next, choose the camera series. We'll be adding the Essential Series camera. When it comes to the Essential Series, you will additionally have to select the generation. We'll be adding the first generation in this step. Next, select the camera model. You can tell the Essential Series apart by the location of the sync button. If there is a hub active on the account, you will have the option to connect the device to it. But as we want to connect the device to Wi-Fi, tap on Connect without Smart Hub. If there is no hub, it will put us directly on the Wi-Fi connection page. Next, ensure that your Arlo app device is connected to the same 2.4 GHz network that you will be connecting your device to. You will then need to enter the Wi-Fi credentials. Please note the credentials are case sensitive, so for example, entering a lowercase letter instead of an uppercase letter could mean the device will not connect. Once entered, and tap on Continue, and a QR code will appear. This QR code holds the credentials for your Wi-Fi network, and you will need to point the Arlo camera at it for it to scan. You may need to move the camera side to side or front to back to make sure the camera can capture the code. If the code is not scanning, make sure the brightness on your device is up, that there is no light reflecting off of the screen, and that dark mode is disabled on your Arlo app device. If the issue continues, go back to the previous step to ensure the network credentials are entered correctly. Once the QR code is scanned, you will hear a distinct chime sound from the camera. Next, the app will search for your device, and once found, you will be able to name your device. Afterwards, the device will check for any firmware updates and install them. For this step, we advise being in close proximity of your router to ensure a strong signal. After updating the firmware, you can position the camera, mounting it where you would like it to be, but make sure the device continues to have a strong signal. Once mounted, tap on Continue, and finally on Finish, and now we have a device connected to Wi-Fi ready to use. We hope this video answers your questions regarding connecting devices to Wi-Fi. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other videos about adding devices and the functionality of the app.